In this video, I'm going to show you how to import deals in HubSpot. Now, the first thing you have to do from your dashboard, you want to go to the left and you want to go to your CRM, so hover over it and click on deals. Now, if you have deals in here or not, anyways, you're going to see the add deals button top right. And when you click on it, the import button is going to appear. Click on this button over here, and then you're going to be taken to data integration. What you want to do is go down here to where it says import a file under file imports, and you want to click on import a file. Then from here, you want to select advanced imports, which is for all objects. So just click on that, and you want to select deals from this list. So just click on deals over here, and then you want to click on next. When you do this, you want to go and select how you want to import your deals. You can create and update deals. You can create new deals only or update existing deals only. So I'm actually going to do both. And then from here, you want to go and choose your file. I actually do have a file over here because I've exported this earlier. So as you can see, it's a kind of deals in there. And you can go ahead and of course select if you want to create deal-to-deal associations with this import or not. And of course the language of the column headers in your file. When you've done this, hit this next button down here, bottom right. And there we go. From here, you're going to have to basically select all of these things. So we can basically match these. You have to map them. It says map columns in your file to deal properties. So in my case, as you can see, 0 errors were found, which is a good sign. But in your case, if there's any errors, you could go ahead and do this. So you can import these. I'm going to keep it as deal properties. And this one here, column header from file, is record ID. And of course, I would have to match this to record ID or something else. So if these are not matching, make sure you actually find the correct ones. And if you don't want to override some of these, you can do the check mark and it's not going to override them. Now, when you've done this, you can also go ahead and select if you want to import data in unmapped columns or not. I actually don't. So I'm actually going to check this and I'm going to click on next. And then from here, you can give your import a name. I'm just going to leave it like it is. Date format, you can select the one that's in your, of course, relevant file, the time zone, and then the number format. And when you've done this, you can just go and click on finish import, and your import is going to finish. It's going to process, and when it's done, it's going to tell you how many imported deals got imported. So as you can see here, there we go, import rows. One deal is now in here, and of course, when this updates, you'll be able to see that your deals are now going to be found in here when, of course, it updates for you. Okay, so that's essentially how to import. If you want to do a new one, you can then go to add deals, do another import, and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.